Air-cooled heat exchangers suffer from corrosive attacks in all kinds of environments. This corrosive attack results in high-pressure failures, capacity loss, leakages, and increased power consumption. Air conditioning installations, power generation plants, oil and gas industries all depend on heat exchanging elements for a high efficiency and reduced downtime. Standard corrosive protective systems cannot be applied on heat exchangers. This is because of the complexity of the elements and the risk of capacity loss due to thick insulating coating layers. Blygold has developed a revolutionary way to protect these vulnerable elements against failures and to ensure a long-lasting efficiency. Next to the special heat-conducting coating, the application technique is crucial for protecting all metal surfaces in a heat exchanger. The Blygold spray technique cannot be compared to any other spray-applied coating because the airflow technology creates a remarkable coating penetration without bridging. Due to the Blygold spray technology, the coating can be applied either in-house or on-site. Blygold protective system will at least double the heat exchanger's lifetime and more often will triple it.